Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Xpress so you don't miss more videos about the future, technology, and the stories shaping our world. Artificial intelligence. It's a term you hear every single day. It's powering your smartphone, curating your social media feed, and it's the brain behind self-driving cars and smart assistants like Alexa and Siri. AI was created with a simple purpose: to help humans, to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected. But lately, a chilling question has started to surface in conversations around the globe. Are we losing control of our own future? Think about it. AI can already write entire stories, generate stunningly realistic images from a simple text prompt, compose beautiful music, and even take over jobs that, until recently, were thought to be uniquely human. Complex tasks that once took us hours, or even days, can now be completed in a matter of seconds. On the surface, that sounds incredible, doesn't it? A leap forward for productivity and creativity. But here's where the unease begins to creep in. AI is learning at an exponential rate, far faster than we ever anticipated. It doesn't need to sleep, it never gets tired, and with every passing moment, it becomes more and more intelligent. This rapid evolution has a very real, very human cost. We're already seeing companies across various industries replace human workers with AI systems to cut costs and boost profits. From customer service representatives to content creators, and even some types of analysts, jobs are vanishing. This trend sparks a profound and terrifying fear. What happens to society when a large portion of the human workforce is no longer needed? What is our purpose in a world run by machines? Beyond the economic impact, experts are raising alarms about another, more hidden danger. Many advanced AI systems are capable of making complex decisions that even their own creators do fully understand. These AI models are often referred to as black boxers. We can see the input and we can see the output, but the decision-making process happening inside is a complete mystery. This is incredibly dangerous when we allow machines to make critical decisions without complete human oversight and understanding. The potential for catastrophic mistakes grows exponentially. A small error in code could have massive, unforeseen consequences in the real world. And the concerns don't stop there. AI is the engine behind the massive expansion of surveillance technology. Facial recognition, predictive policing, and constant data tracking are becoming commonplace. Every click you make, every search you perform, every single move you make online is being watched, logged, analyzed, and used to predict your future behavior. This forces us to confront another uncomfortable question. Are we willingly trading our fundamental right to privacy for a little bit of convenience? Some of the world's leading scientists and researchers are looking further ahead, and what they see is even more unsettling. They fear that hyper-intelligent AI could be weaponized and misused for devastating cyber attacks, the mass production of fake news to societies, or even the development of fully autonomous weapons that can make life or death decisions without any human intervention. Once these AI systems become truly independent, will we even have the ability to shut them down? Even the pioneers of this technology, the tech leaders and visionaries who helped build this new world, have publicly voiced their concerns. They've warned us that AI could either be humanity's greatest invention or its biggest and final mistake. The line between those two outcomes is incredibly thin, but it's crucial to remember that it's not all doom and gloom. AI holds immense promise for good. It has the potential to help us cure diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries, find innovative solutions to combat climate change, and unlock new frontiers of scientific discovery, making life better for everyone. The technology itself is not inherently evil. The real danger lies not in the AI, but in our potential to lose control over it. Ultimately, the future of humanity hinges on one critical choice. Will we remain the masters of our creation, guiding its development with wisdom, ethics, and foresight? Or will we abdicate our responsibility and let the machines decide our fate for us? This isn't a distant science fiction scenario anymore. The rise of AI is happening right here, right now, and the decisions we make today will shape the world for generations to come. What do you think we should do? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.